everyone, welcome to the daily stock forecast. Okay, today it's Thursday. Now as you can see on this intraday chart from today, yesterday we got this big up move from the Fed right into this 173.50 area. Today the markets gapped right into this double top, and as you can see we saw some slow bleed in the markets right to this 50 moving average, and in the end they popped the market up right into this 50 moving average, and now we closed on this 20 MA. Now on the downside, my first level of support, the major level of support, will be this 200 moving average going together with this 171. It's the prior high from August, so as you can see they gapped above it here, every time they sold it off, and now it will act as support. Now the other level of support that I see on this intraday chart will be this pivot low right here, the 170 even number. Now let's go over to the daily chart here of the SPY. As you can see, we made a new high, so the first big resistance on the daily chart will be the 175. Not sure if we'll get there in the coming days. This will be my first level. Okay, now I want to go over some interesting charts here on for some swing trades, and I want to start with SLB. Now as you can see on this daily chart here, we made a nice stopping tail here. I'm looking for a retrace tomorrow. Retrace to around this 89.20. The stop loss on this play will be any close above this tail high. This will be your stop loss or your stop out. And on the downside, the first support will be this area, the 86.50, and this will be my second area of support with this 20 moving average around 85 even number. Okay guys, another interesting chart here is the daily Visa chart. As you can see, it got a nice up move into this double top, and today we made a nice stopping tail. Now I'm looking for a retrace tomorrow or Monday to this 169. This will be my stop out. Any close above this tail high, that will be my stop out. So look for tomorrow and Monday for a retrace into this level. And on the downside, my first level of support will be this 190. And then we got this dual moving averages here. Now let's go over Facebook here, the daily chart of Facebook. It's making new highs, and I'm looking for a swing trade at this level, the $50 even number. Not sure if we'll get there in the coming week, but keep an eye on it. If we're coming close to this level, I will put an alert out through Twitter or through Facebook. Now let's go over some scalping levels here for tomorrow. I'm gonna start with Apple. Now this morning I scalped Apple at this gap fill, the peers of the 173 even number. That was my entry. It was my first scalp of the day, and as you can see, this was my second scalp short, the 175.30 peers. It was basically the high of the day. Now let's find some support levels here first. The first minor level will be the low from today, 469.23. And then we have this gap fill with the 200 moving average around 463. This will be a major level. And then just below the 200 MA will be this 460.70, this double bottom low. And then we have this gap fill at 455.13. Now on the upside, let's find some resistance here. The first big level that I see will be this 485. And also we got this 480 even number as a resistance. Now let's go over ExxonMobil here for some scalping levels. First level on the upside for resistance will be this double top at 89.86. Resistance wise, the first level for a scalp will be this double bottom at 88.38. And then we have this gap fill at 87.98, the peers of the 88 even number. Okay, look, guys, let's go over JP Morgan here, a weaker name in this market. So as you can see, right on from the open, JP Morgan saw some heavy selling. I scalped this one on the peers of this 200 moving average right in this area, the 52.77 level. It gave me a quick 10 cents. Now on the downside, first big support that I see will be this pivot low at 52.12. And the other big level will be this area at 51.53. Now on the upside, first resistance on JP Morgan will be this pivot low at 53.38. And then we have this double top around 53.85. Okay guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to one of our channels, and I see you all on this weekend for a new update.